Hi, I'm John LaChance, a solutions engineer here at Lingo Communications. Today we're going to help you set up your cloud-hosted phone system. We'll be doing this in a typical home office environment. The first thing we need to do is to identify the components of your hosted phone system. The first piece we have here is actually the handset itself. Put that aside. This is the handset cable. You'll see there's two connections on the handset cable. The next piece is actually the phone itself. Some people call it the base unit, but that's the actual phone system itself. The phone system does come with a stand. Also included is a power cable which works with the power supply. The last component in your kit will be an Ethernet cable, otherwise known as a network cable. Now, let's go ahead and show you how to connect these components together. Your cloud phone system is designed to be a plug-and-play system out of the box. Let's start with these three components. We have the handset, we have the handset cord, and we have the base unit or the phone itself. Start with the handset cord. Take the handset itself, find the port at the base of the handset and connect that. You'll find it's a horizontal type connection. You should hear a click if you've done it properly. Now the other end is identical to this piece, so we need to connect that to the actual base unit of the phone. Turn the phone over, locate on the back of the phone an impression, an icon that's embedded in the plastic that looks like the phone itself. So let's click that in. You'll see it here all the way to the right, and you hear another click if you've done it properly. Now we're going to show you how to power your cloud phone hosted system. Alright, once you have your unit, we want you to turn it over, and we're going to find the AC power in the top left corner here in the back of the unit. Go to the power supply we identified earlier. We're going to pull that over, and at the end of the power supply you'll have the connection cable, and plug that right in. And that should plug in firmly. On the other end of the power supply, we're going to plug this into an AC 120 volt power outlet. Now that we have power to your cloud phone system, we need to connect it to your internet service. So you probably have two services available to you where you live. It may be a wireless service or a physical connection to your PC. We can use our phone system and use the idea of daisy chaining. What is daisy chaining? It allows us to take the connection from the PC, connect it to the back of the phone, using the additional cable that comes with the phone system, connect it to the back of the phone, and go back to the PC. That way you're daisy chaining from the PC to the phone, and allowing the data services to be used by the PC and allowing the phone to use the voice services. We're now going to connect the internet service to the phone system. We'll take the Ethernet cable that came with your Ethernet service. This cable may be connected to your current computer system, so unplug it from your computer system, bring it over to the phone, find the two Ethernet ports on the back of the phone and plug it in. You may be asking yourself, what about my computer system? Well, we will now use the additional cable that came with the phone system, plug that cable into the additional port, and run that cable over to your computer system and plug it in. That'll complete the idea of the daisy chaining we talked about Now that you have your phone with all the proper connections to the back, and you place your phone on the desk, it may need some assistance standing. There is a final piece that was included in your kit. This is definitely a piece that is important to keep the phone upright. Go to the back of the phone. This stand can connect in 3 locations. Choose the proper location for the angle of adjustment that you'd like. Make sure the cables fit between the stand and feel comfortable for your line of sight. Now your phone is ready to use. It's been a plug-and-play experience. Thank you for your participation in our video tutorials. I'm John LaChance, Solutions Engineer, Lingo Communications.